Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you create a Gmail account. So to create a Gmail account, just go to your Gmail. Now in the Gmail, click the top right, your profile icon, and select the second last option, add another account. After selecting it, here you can see the first option is Google. Click on it. Now you need to just draw your phone password here. After drawing your password, here you can see a create account option. Click on it. Click on for myself. Now you need to just give your first name, and after giving your first name, just click on next. Here you need to give your birthday and your gender. And after selecting your birthday and your gender, click on the bottom right next. Here you can just create your own Gmail address, or you can just simply choose by these two. I am just creating my own Gmail address. And after creating your Gmail address, click on next. Here you need to just give your password. Now you can just give your phone number, or you can just skip it. I'm just giving my phone number. Click on the bottom right next option. Now just scroll here and click on I agree. And doing all these steps, your Gmail account is created. So guys, that's how you can create a Gmail account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.